Hello viewers and welcome to our kitchen. Today we are going to try a comfort food in a little cafe style twist. The brown butter vanilla French toast. Nope, it's not me cooking. I have many talents which include singing in the shower or losing my keys or binge watching period dramas. But achieving that perfect custardy golden brown crust is not one of them. Well, let me introduce you to someone who will actually make this happen. The man who makes bread feel like a 5-star luxury experience. Hello, Chef Tarun.
Hello, Priya. Thank you for the introduction. Brown butter vanilla French toast is one of those recipes which smells incredible before it even tastes incredible.
That sounds dangerous for my self-control. Tell us what all do we need to make this?
Before that, let's check out the ingredients. We have Lurpak Soft unsalted. We have brioche sliced bread, we have eggs, we have got yogurt, cinnamon powder, mixed seeds, honey, vanilla essence, we have got fresh milk, and of course we have got fresh orange. First thing first, we'll make a batter. Let's take a bowl, 2 eggs,
and we're going to whisk it, right?
Yes, we are.
Can I do that for you?
Of course.
While you explain to me why French toast always tastes better at restaurants.
Not really today. We'll make a version which is going to be as good as even we make in the restaurant.
Okay.
While you whisk the eggs, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. For the sweetness, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of honey. Keep whisking. And now we'll add 1 cup of milk, but slowly and gradually. Keep whisking.
Okay. Am I doing this right?
Yes. Keep doing clockwise.
So how much milk are you adding to this?
Just 1 cup. It's just a last drop. That's it.
Does this look good? Okay, now?
The last ingredient, vanilla essence.
Okay.
So, around 2 teaspoon. Keep whisking.
It's already smelling so good.
Yes. That is the secret to a good batter.
Is our batter ready, Chef?
Yes, it's completely ready.
Okay.
Let's keep it on the side. And now we will start with our citrus yogurt.
Okay.
For that, we are going to take orange. So the first thing first, we are going to zest some orange. So we'll take in yogurt.
Okay. Okay, so let's put in the yogurt.
Yes, now I'm going to take in orange. Let's remove the skin. So now it's very easy. We just have to put the knife in. And we take out this beautiful orange segments.
Okay, the veggies.
Yes, and this will be our component in the dish. So we are going to take it out, one of the last.
Nice, precise veggies, which only Chef Tarun can cut.
No, it's super easy. If you can try, you can also do it. And the remaining, I'm going to hand squeeze it.
Okay, so the entire orange is being used in this.
Yes. You can add more citrus flavor. For example, if you want to use grapefruit, that also add a very nice addition to this. So just last few bits.
I think I've generally had French toast with berries only outside.
Yes.
But citrus is the first time I'm trying.
Since summers are right here on the corner, I think citrus is a very good to balance our body. There we go, Priya, this is for you.
So
freshly
now,
squeezed orange juice.
Okay, so we add this to our citrus yogurt.
And keep mixing it.
And we mix it up nicely so that it becomes smooth.
Perfect, leave it.
Okay.
Yes, perfect. This is the consistency we are looking here. We have got our orange segments. We have got our citrus yogurt. Let's start cooking with our French toast.
Okay.
With our Lurpak unsalted.
I love how this scoops straight from the tub.
when it melts, it turns more beautifully nutty.
Yeah, and look at that color, it's gorgeous.
Yes. Let's start with our brioche bread.
Okay.
So we'll take our brioche slice bread.
Dip it into the batter we made.
Around like 2-3 goes. Let's drop it into the pan.
Amazing. Love the sizzle sound.
Yes. And especially with cinnamon, vanilla essence.
The fragrance is already starting to come out.
Now Priya, patience is the key here.
I have none of it.
We are actually looking for a nice golden touch on it. So we are gonna grill it for like 3-4 minutes on one side, since it's a little bit fatter one, and then we are going to flip it. So let's flip it.
Wow, look at that caramelization.
Yes, beautiful color here. Let's cook it gently and slow.
On the other side as well.
Yes.
Okay, shall I get the plate?
Yes, Priya.
Okay.
Let's keep it here.
It smells delicious.
It is.
Already.
Let's start with our toppings. We'll start with citrus yogurt.
This is going to be a first of yogurt with French toast.
Yes. And that too with the citrus.
Yeah.
The yogurt, why I'm adding yogurt here, because it adds a lot of creaminess.
Yeah.
And instead of having whipping cream or any other milkmaid to your French toast, why not to have something healthier?
Absolutely.
And that too with this summerish flavor, which is more citrusy.
Okay, so these are
Orange segments.
orange segments that we had taken out earlier.
We are just going to scatter them into different corners so that with every bite you have an orange.
And then maybe some seeds.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we've got a mix of pumpkin, sunflower, flax,
and of course some sesame seeds.
right.
And our last ingredient is honey.
Okay, let's go with honey.
Around 1 teaspoon. Just to add a little bit sweetness.
Once I do end up learning how to cook like you, I will learn this presentation.
Well, it's pretty easy. I mean, I didn't do much. I just get everything on a plate together. It looks so beautiful though. And
great,
we can't
gorgeous.
wait to dig in.
Absolutely cannot wait to dig in.
And I would say that Lurpak Soft Unsalted help us, to create this beautiful color on the toast, which is really looking amazing. Here we go.
Oh, can't wait to dig in. Shall I?
Please go for it.
Okay. Crispy edges, soft center.
Yes.
It's delicious. It tastes rich, but still very, very smooth, not heavy at all.
How about citrus yogurt? Does it go really well?
It goes really, everything goes really well with this.
Beautiful.
So that was the brown butter vanilla French toast with Chef Tarun. Simple ingredients, 5 minutes of cooking, and you'll have a chef-style dessert on your table. We'll see you next time for more easy comfort cooking. Bye.